Hello children, today we are going to learn 15 simple daily English sentences. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. The goat is eating grass. The goat is eating grass. The horse is running fast. The horse is running fast. The hen lays eggs. The hen lays eggs. The sheep has soft wool. The sheep has soft wool. The parrot can talk. The parrot can talk. The rabbit is very cute. The rabbit is very cute. The duck is swimming in the pond. The duck is swimming in the pond. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. The tiger has black stripes. The tiger has black stripes. The elephant has a long trunk. The elephant has a long trunk. The monkey is climbing the tree. The monkey is climbing the tree. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. The bear loves honey. The bear loves honey. The zebra has black and white stripes. The zebra has black and white stripes. The deer is running in the forest. The deer is running in the forest. The fox is very clever. The fox is very clever. The wolf howls at night. The wolf howls at night. The crow is black. The crow is black. The peacock dances in the rain. The peacock dances in the rain. The pigeon is flying in the sky. The pigeon is flying in the sky. The sparrow is very small. The sparrow is very small. The owl can see at night. The owl can see at night. The eagle flies very high. The eagle flies very high. The swan is white. The swan is white. The woodpecker makes holes in the trees. The woodpecker makes holes in the trees. The cuckoo sings sweet songs. The cuckoo sings sweet songs. The kingfisher catches a fish. The kingfisher catches a fish. The fish swims in the water. The fish swims in the water. The dolphin is friendly. The dolphin is friendly. The shark has sharp teeth. The shark has sharp teeth. The turtle moves slowly. The turtle moves slowly. The crab has two claws. The crab has two claws. The octopus has 8 arms. The octopus has 8 arms. The starfish lives in the sea. The starfish lives in the sea. The whale is the largest animal. The whale is the largest animal. The seal claps its flippers. The seal claps its flippers. The penguin cannot fly but can swim. The penguin cannot fly but can swim. The butterfly has colorful wings. The butterfly has colorful wings. The bee makes a honey. The bee makes a honey. The ant is very small. The ant is very small. The mosquito bites us. The mosquito bites us. The spider makes a web. The spider makes a web. The snail carries a shell. The snail carries a shell. The frog jumps in the water. The frog jumps in the water. The lizard climbs the wall. The lizard climbs the wall. The rat runs very fast. The rat runs very fast. The bat sleeps upside down. The bat sleeps upside down. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.